In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase storage in Dropbox. So let's dive right in. First, we'll explore an easy and cost-effective way to earn additional space by leveraging a feature that's often overlooked. Referrals. By inviting friends to join Dropbox using your unique referral link, which you can find at dropbox.com/referrals, you can earn bonus space. Each friend who signs up through your link not only benefits from starting their own storage journey with Dropbox, but you also get rewarded with extra storage space. It's a win-win situation. Just share the referral link with those who might find Dropbox useful, like colleagues or classmates, and start seeing your storage capacity grow as they join. Next, let's talk about decluttering your Dropbox for more immediate space. One of the simplest ways to free up some storage is to delete old or large files that you no longer need. It's like spring cleaning for your digital life. Take a moment to revisit your files and assess which documents, images, or videos are no longer serving a purpose or are outdated. Removing these files not only gives you more space, but also helps keep your Dropbox organized, making it easier to find the files you actually need. If you require even more space, it might be time to consider upgrading your plan. To do this, head over to dropbox.com plans, where you'll find detailed information on the various paid plans Dropbox offers. The options typically range from the Plus plan to family and professional plans. Each tier offers different amounts of storage and additional features to suit your needs. Whether you're an individual needing more space, a family wanting shared storage, or a professional requiring advanced collaboration tools. After reviewing the plans, select the one that fits best with your storage requirements and budget. It's important to choose a plan not just based on price, but also based on the features that are valuable to your unique situation. Once you've made your selection, you can follow the straightforward checkout process. Simply add your payment information and confirm your purchase. Upon completion, your account will be instantly upgraded, and additional storage will be available for use right away. Increasing your Dropbox storage can be accomplished in a few different ways, whether it's through inviting friends, clearing out clutter, or leveling up your plan. Each option has its own benefits, and by following these steps, you can ensure that your Dropbox account continues to meet your storage needs as they grow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful for managing your digital storage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and helpful content.